Welcome once again to our ongoing YouTube video series on affording a business lawyer. My name is Christopher Neufeld, and as you can tell from the topic, I am a corporate commercial business lawyer working in the area of contracts, business acquisitions, sales, and business development. In this particular YouTube video, we're going to be discussing another aspect of affording a business lawyer, and that is selecting the appropriate business lawyer. Now, why do I say it's important to select? Because this is the person that you're going to be engaging to do the work that you're looking for. You're going to be trusting them, and you don't really want to, if you can avoid it, move to another lawyer midway through the stream of process, because you're already going to have invested a lot of time and money, and also put yourself at a considerable disadvantage if you change lawyers unnecessarily, because now you're moving to somebody else new. The other side probably has an advantage, or there's work that has to be done, and now you're weeks, if not months behind. And you've already paid a substantial legal bill, and you have to bring somebody else up to steam. And that person has connections, has been doing stuff on your behalf. So, instead, start from the beginning to select the appropriate lawyer. Spend the time, review the information. There's lots of information that's typically available on lawyers, more and more so in today's day and age, where you have so much available through the internet. You can actually see what their resume is. You can see the kind of work they enjoy doing, what their focus is on, and what their approach is to different aspects of business and law. Now, what I'm trying to do is trying to communicate a perspective, and that's my perspective on how I approach the legal profession and working with clients. So one of the ways I've done that in the past and continue to do it is through the website. I have a series of websites specific to those areas of legal practice, so it focuses on what people like yourself will be looking for with respect to a business lawyer. I focus on those areas that I think people are looking for and that my expertise is in, my passion is for. That's what I promote. And that's what you want to be looking for. You want to find people, you want to look at their expertise, their interest, their passion, their background. That's what you wanted to do. Now, more recently, what I've done to supplement that is this, YouTube. I've utilized YouTube as a further avenue to engage with prospective clients such as yourself in providing people perspective as to who I am. Now, what this does is it provides you a broader perspective of who I am. And that's what you're wanting to do. You're wanting to find the lawyer that you can work with, a lawyer who you can communicate with and who has the expertise and knowledge. And there's lots of tools. I'm just giving examples of two that you want to be out there with. From there, you get a good sense. So when you're contacting people, you say, does this person have the qualifications, the expertise, the interest, the passion that I'm looking for? Because that's what you need. So that's what you're going to gain from researching each of these individual lawyers. And as you research each of the individual lawyers, you can determine a large part whether or not they might be the right person. And once you've done that, then you start engaging them directly, whether it's through emails or it's through a phone call, through video conferencing, what have you, or in person. You move forward. You try to see if what you've been reading about, what you've been viewing, is in fact what you're looking to deal with. Is it that person that it is that you want to engage right there? And once you've done that, then you keep on moving forward the process, but you take it incrementally. And that is the way that you get yourself to the right lawyer for your particular business assignment that requires legal assistance. Because otherwise, you come in and you could be going to anybody, and you can be directed to anybody, and that is not what you need to be looking at. You want to be looking at somebody who is focused and capable of providing you with the legal services that you are in fact needing and requiring to advance your business. And that is why selection is so important. Selection. And use the tools to select effectively and get the appropriate lawyer for you. I trust you have found this YouTube video informative, and you go out there and look and find yourself the right business lawyer, or right lawyer in whatever practice or needs you have. Naturally, I am always interested in doing work for clients in the business field the world over, but at the same time, what I enjoy doing and I prefer doing is when clients come to me, or prospective clients, and I realize that I'm not the appropriate lawyer for them, that somebody else can better handle the matter that's in front of them. I am not hesitant in directing that individual to the appropriate lawyer, because it only serves the client that much better. And it's in my best interest. I've got lots of clients. I want to serve those clients effectively. And I don't want to distract from that work by doing something that is not something that I have the expertise in, I have the passion, or even the capability of servicing. So I make it a point to take on only that work which is appropriate for myself, and helping people who have inadvertently come to myself with a legal issue that is not in my wheelhouse. So I want them to succeed, but to succeed, I direct them to what I think might well be the appropriate lawyer. Once again, best of luck with your legal matters and all the best success with your business. Thank you.